Layered Stencil Demonstration. Today, Pearly is introducing her new Layered Enamel Stencil Set. This collection includes 22 precision-cut stencils featuring 15 unique designs, created especially for enamel artists who want to build colorful, perfectly aligned designs layer by layer. Each stencil also includes a small outline of the complete design. This makes positioning each new layer quick and accurate, ensuring every color lines up perfectly with the previous one. Pearly begins by preparing the metal as usual. After applying the base enamel and firing it until fully fused, she applies a very thin coat of clear fire. The clear fire acts as a temporary adhesive, helping to hold the stencil in place while preventing the enamel powder from shifting. For this demonstration, Pearly is using stencil number 90. Unlike some of the other designs, stencil number 90 is divided into 4 separate sections. Each section exposes a different part of the same design, allowing one color to be applied at a time. Using an 80 mesh sifter, she applies enamel number 207 through the first section of the stencil. The stencil is then carefully removed without disturbing the enamel powder. The piece is fired, allowed to cool completely, and cleaned if necessary. Some designs consist of a single stencil divided into separate sections, while others are made up of 2, 3, or even 4 individual stencil layers. These are clearly labeled with letters, for example, 81A, 81B, and 81C, so it's always easy to identify which stencils belong to the same design. Adding the next colors. Another thin coat of clear fire is applied before repositioning the stencil in exactly the same place. The second section is aligned using the printed registration guide, and enamel number 368 is sifted onto the piece before firing again. The same process is repeated for the remaining 2 sections, using enamels number 426 and number 325. Because each color is applied and fired separately, every layer remains crisp and clean, creating a vibrant, perfectly registered, multicolored design, much like the silkscreen printing process. Notice how Pearly uses clips to hold the stencil firmly in place, ensuring it doesn't move while the enamel powder is being applied. Here's how it turned out. Do you like it? Here are a few more examples. Pearly created using different stencils from the kit and a variety of enamel colors. Each design demonstrates how easily you can achieve completely different looks by combining different stencil designs and color palettes. Pearly hopes you'll enjoy creating with these new layered stencils as much as she enjoyed designing them, and she looks forward to seeing all of your beautiful creations.